Guys, today we're gonna unbox the video card graphic. It's a 12 gig with RGB RTX GeForce RTX. This is 12 gigabit and it's one fan. So it's only one fan. It's not two fans. So it's pretty cool and nice. See, RTX 3060, and it's NVIDIA. Let's now go ahead and unbox this new graphic video card. So we'll do from here. Okay, we can do this. Okay. There we go.
So can you open it?
Gonna open it now.
Yes.
And let's see. Pretty cool. This is sealed. You can see, guys. This is sealed.
This is sealed.
Over here. Okay. Let's go ahead and open that. Easy. Okay. Wow, so cool.
Wow,
So cool. Look at that.
that's so cool. I love it, Baba.
It's only one fan.
Cool. Yeah,
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, this is very cool.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay.
Very
Make sure. Okay, guys, and let's see if there's anything inside. Wow. Yeah, I don't think so. There's anything. Oh, they're just only the manual. This is the manual for the video with